Hello, guys. First, I want to introduce myself so that you will not be in the doubt that you are receiving the information that is not valid or that is not from the authorized person. So, hi, I am Akash, and I am a digital marketing professional from the last 2 years, and I am majorly handling the Google Ads account. I have also worked on the SEO, social media, and different domains, but majorly I worked in the Google Ads, and in this video I will be telling you like how you can provide the access of your Google Ads account to any other person. So like this is the manager account you can see, but if you are in the if you are having this single ads account, that is no issue. The process of the invitation is same. Like first you have to go to this admin section, and from here you can click on the access and security, and under the access and security you can see different options like users manager, related managers, and security. And these other options you do not have to think much about this, because these are not required in this process. Like in the managers you can see there is no managing rights to anyone. So there is no email ID or any other thing showing here. And if you want to give access, you have to go into the user section. Then you have to click on this plus icon. Then you have to put the email address of any person. Like if you put of SEO master at the rate gmail.com. So you can put this email address, and you can select from the access expiry date. Like if you want this to expire in the 31st Jan of 2025, then you can select it from here. And if you do not want, then this option is best. Then you can see like what type of access you want to give. Email only. So in email access, the person can see only the reports. And the billing access, if you provide, then the person can see the billing information, and can edit the billing information as well. If you provide the read only access, then there are different things like the person can view campaigns and use planning tools. The person can view billing information, view reports, edit reports, view a users manager and product links, add email only users. So there are different options, and you can see there are the tick marks uh, after the options, and you can see like what type of rights you want to give the user. So you can select the option from here, and you can give the rights. Like mostly if you are an agency or if you are a freelancer, then mostly you give the standard or admin right if the account is made by you. So these are the two options that you have to choose to provide like rights to your clients. And then you can click on this button send invitation, and then the email has been sent to the client's email ID. And then they can click on the accept, and then they can accept the invitation from there. So this is all about invitation, guys. I hope you all understand. If you have any doubts, you can comment down in the video, and I will try my best to solve all your doubts. That's all, guys. Thank you. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe this channel, because your support means a lot to me, and I will try to bring more such videos so that you can get help and you can learn more about this. That's all, guys. Thank